everybody, it's Courtney Fiber Fox Studios. I'm out of quarantine and I've made a mistake. Coming back to work was a bad idea. Like nothing, bare minimum was touched on my desk. I won't say nothing was touched, but bare minimum, y'all. But guess what? I'm an essential employee, so even with the impending shutdown, I'm still going to be here at work, so at least I won't get any further behind, right? I wanted to come to you guys real quick. This Tuesday normal Tales from the Truck is normally on Tuesday, but it was raining yesterday, so I couldn't get out to the truck without getting everything that I want to show you guys wet. So I did not take anything out to the truck and do my truck talk. So we're going to do it now. And I'm going to try to keep it short because I do need to try to run and go through a drive-through. Those are apparently still open. I need to stress eat my feelings. I think I need like a mocha frappe or something. Help me feel better. But I want to show you guys some stuff. So first, I want to show you guys, I got some happy mail from Petra at Petra's Happy Place. So guess what? She did this thing called 2020 Stash Flash, and I participated in that. We're supposed to guess, like she had a little bin and she had yarn where you could just see the tops of the yarn in it if you didn't see it, and you were just guessing like what yarns were what. Well, here's the thing, no clue that there was any type of competition going on or anything. It was just super fun to guess. So I had guessed, and apparently I must have been the first person to guess right or the only person to guess right. I really don't know, but I guessed right on some of the yarn is the point. And because of that, she actually sent me a little prize. So if you do not know who Petra's Happy Place is, I'm going to link her channel down below. And please check her out. She is super fun to watch. She did another, recently here, she did another where she had a little competition or a little voting thing, where she had everybody vote for her next project that she's going to do. So it's really fun. She does really, really cute crochet vlogs and she does lives and stuff like that. So check her out. You will probably love her as much as I do. So in this package, I got this awesome thing, which is going to be what I'm going to be writing out my little pattern notes with. It's scented and so awesome. I cannot wait to use this. Like, this takes me back to my childhood. For real. And I got these super cute socks. I guess there's St. Patrick's Day, but I say you can wear fun socks like this, like any time of the year. Like, I don't care. Like, St. Patrick's Day's over. Who cares? So, that's what those look like. So, those are super cute. Love it. Thank you so much, Petra. And I got this, which is these cute lights. And they're like Easter lights. Maybe I should do it like that so y'all can see. Can y'all see? So, I'm definitely going to be putting these up. Super cute. Makes like a little... You can do it around a basket is what it's showing. It's super cute though. I'm going to do it around my little yarn area. And then she sent me a sweet card, which I won't read on camera, but it's super sweet. And she got me one of these magic towels. I love these things. They're so fun. You stick it in the water and it expands. So, loved everything. Thank you again, Petra. It was super awesome. And I am totally going to use this pen. Only at home, though, because I would, like, run out of ink in no time flat here at work. So, got that. And then I want to show you guys, I got some yarn from Sadie's Spincraft. And if you don't know who she is, please check her out as well. I ordered this, and this is my first time ever getting hand-dyed, hand-spun, hand-dyed yarn. Okay, so she does the whole process all completely herself, and it is awesome. So, I got this color right here. How pretty is that? Can you guys see? Hopefully it's focusing. It is so soft. This right here is like that high-end wool. Like, she does high-end fibers with her stuff. It's not, you know, I don't know if there's anything like cheap wool out there in the world, but she definitely, I was looking up the fibers and what they are. They are considered like the high-end, high-quality stuff. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this is thin. Love it. So, and I got this color, which hopefully it is showing up. It is so pretty, you guys. And it is also really soft. Like, I don't know if it's focusing well enough for you guys, but it's 2 tones of blue. It is absolutely gorgeous stuff. And this one is a little bit thicker, but I would call it more like a 3 weight, not necessarily like a 4 weight. But I wish you guys could see. All right, so there's this one right here, and it's a little bit lighter. And then there's this other one. I'm trying to hold them together so y'all can see the difference. This one is just slightly darker. Totally can be used together though, like 100%. But this one has sparkles in it, and I don't know if my camera's gonna pick that up, but hopefully, I'll try taking a picture of it out in the light, because when I hold it out here, like what y'all can't see is it is gorgeous, and it is showing all the sparkles. So this has sparkles in it, and I'm telling you, for like 100% wool type stuff, well, I mean, I guess with the sparkles in there, it's not like 100% on this one, but this is really, really nice yarn. Like, I am so happy with this. Like, I cannot wait to work with this, and I will be careful. And she put me a note in there. She sent me a bracelet and some stitch markers and a little wax melt and everything. I mean, it was an awesome order. And since I've never had any of the like hand dyed, hand spun yarn before, like for my first one, like it's kind of made me like fall in love. The last thing I got, now this one, I know how to handle this one. This is 100% cotton, and I've got like 1,500 yards of this, and it is such a pretty color. Hopefully you guys can see. Like, it is like got a couple tones of purple in it. It's gorgeous, and I am 100%, because I have so many yards of it, I am putting this stuff into action probably this weekend. I think I'm going to use it to film a tutorial. I'll have to wind it up in balls, but it is soft. It's really nice cotton. Like, I am not normally a cotton fan, but this is some nice stuff. So I'm going to make this into one of my tops. I'm going to show you guys what top. So now we're on to my little like finished objects, things I'm working on part. Oh my goodness. So I am going to, and everything's going to be a tutorial, obviously. You know, guys, you guys know how I like to do my tutorials, and I like to show y'all a little sneak peek. Let me hold this up like this. So this is a new design I'm working on. It's the same style top as the Cerebella that I just put out, where you're working in a long arm and chest panel. And then you work down 2 panels, one in the front, one in the back. Your front and back is exactly the same on these pieces. So, I mean, it's like a mirror image of the front and back. You can wear it either way. But on this one right here, I've already started coming down a little bit on the one panel. So you can see it's dropping down. This one, the only change in the design is just that I'm making the sleeves longer in this one than the Cerebella, which I'm wearing. I'm wearing that Cerebella top right now. Let me see if I can tilt down. Can y'all see? So I'm wearing it right now, and that's where the sleeves hit. These sleeves are going to hit further down here on me, and that's how I'm designing it. So different stitch pattern, obviously, as you guys can probably tell. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? So I am going to get this out as soon as I can. I'm back to work now, so it's, you know, going to be back to doing these on weekends. I'm going to be working late tonight. Let me move that, and then I got 2 more things to show you, but the same design. So you guys saw this top already once, and you saw it when I was, or maybe twice. You might have seen it twice by now, but I think twice. So I was doing where the side comes out to kind of do my shaping, and this is the final finished one, all sewn up and everything. Now, this was done in the Lion Brand Mandala Tweed Stripes. It's that pattern that I showed you guys that's like very butterfly-esque. It's probably not the best one to show because it's so dark. That one. So I did this top and finished it, and this is my very first one. So of course there is some changes I had to make as far as sizing goes. This came out a little bit big on the armholes, so I'm leaving this as a sleeveless. But I made another one to show you guys. So this one is going to be my next top tutorial. because, you know, obviously I'm working on the other one still. So I made that top, which is unnamed at this moment, again, but I did it in Lion Brand shawl in a ball. As you guys can see, do you see that beautiful color? And I put sleeves on this one. So those are the same exact top. It's just I went with a little bit smaller yarn because Lion Brand Mandala, as we all know, is not really a size 4. So it came out a little bit smaller, which I like because it fit me a little bit better. And I learned what to do to adjust for the armhole so they didn't come out like so big, like they're down here. On the other one, it's like way too much. So, that's what I've got going on. So in this one, it's all sparkly, as you can see, I'm sure. But I really love it. So I'm going to be able to get this released. This will be what I work on this coming weekend. I'm going to get this top out and share it with you guys so y'all can make one too. It's very light and airy. I'm actually going to wear this tomorrow to work. I just didn't want to wear it today because I wouldn't have been able to like show y'all, because you can only see so much of me in these videos. So that is it for today. Check out Petra's Happy Place. Check out Sadie Spincraft. She sells her yarn that she makes on Facebook, I believe, right now. You just PayPal her the money, ships it super quick. I mean, I had a great buying experience with her. Highly recommend it. It's gorgeous. And I mean, her prices, even though she's in the UK, her prices are right in line with what you should expect. A little bit cheaper to me than what I see other ones going for. So can't beat that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in for this super fast truck talk. Until next time, bye. I had questions. I forgot to ask you guys my questions that I had. Trying to pack up my stuff so I can get on the road to go get me some food. So what are you guys doing? What are y'all working on? Is anybody working on any of my tops? Are you working on some other tops? Are you working on blankets? What are you guys up to? I know a lot of you are already on like quarantine or self-isolation, social distancing and all. So I know that you guys are already going through that. Sorry for the noise. So what are you guys doing to keep yourselves busy? I know what I did. I crocheted a lot, as you can tell, hopefully. I've been working on some other stuff that I haven't shown you guys too. So like I'm always working on like multiple projects and multiple things. What are you guys doing? What are y'all working? How is everyone holding up? I was on a legit quarantine because my husband was exposed, but he did have symptoms at first, but he ended up being fine. If he had it, it was very light, mild case. People at his job were sick and people were hospitalized, as I'd already mentioned. And we're trying to get an update on his boss because he was the worst off of all of them as far as we knew. So his job is still completely closed. A lot of people still sick, but, you know, he's okay. My husband is okay now. And, we weren't able to get tested because he didn't run a fever. So he may have just had allergies or another cold. We don't know. But we had to do the whole quarantine thing. And I'm still going to continue to do like a quarantine. I am only going to come to work and go immediately back home. That's what I'm doing. I don't want to be out. If my mom does need something because she is older and she is immune compromised, I will definitely go do something like, you know, shopping or whatever for her. But we're going to be trying to stay like away from everybody. They're doing an order to shut it down in Jacksonville, Florida, where I work. I don't live here anymore, but I'm still going to be coming in, so I'll be able to see what is available and open as far as like supplies and stuff. I think my mom's good for quite a while though, because she's, you know, she's older, so y'all know how that goes. They tend to hoard food. She hasn't been buying any. She just has a collection, I'm trying to say. So let me know what you guys have been doing. Is anybody affected? I sure hope not. I hope everybody is happy and healthy and crocheting and enjoying the time that you have. I know a lot of us, you know, spend all of our free time anyway crocheting, so maybe not too big of a change, but let me know that down in the comments. I do care. I'm gonna be so late coming back from lunch. Oh well. I'm working late tonight anyway. So, alright, now for real. Bye.